Hello there, I'm so glad you're here, and I can't wait to take you on a journey to a place that's truly special. If you're searching for a place that moves at a gentler pace, let me introduce you to Magura, Bangladesh, a district where time seems to slow down, and every day feels like a breath of fresh air. It's not about skyscrapers or busy highways. Magura is all green fields, slow rivers, and friendly faces. Here, the landscape is painted with endless shades of green, and the people greet you with genuine warmth. The air is warm, the sounds are of bicycle bells and market chatter, and the heart of the district is huge. Every corner is alive with the simple joys of daily life, from the laughter of children to the friendly banter of neighbors. Named after the maga fish, Magura is crisscrossed by rivers that nourish the land and its people. These rivers are the lifeblood of the region, supporting both the fields and the families who call this place home. Life here flows with the current, no need to rush. The gentle rhythm of the countryside invites you to slow down, relax, and truly appreciate the beauty around you. So take a deep breath and join me as we explore this charming, quietly remarkable corner of the world. Whether you're a traveler or just curious, Magura has something to offer everyone. We'll discover old buildings, endless fields, and the warmth of a community that values the simple things. There's a story waiting around every bend, and I promise you'll leave with memories to cherish. Ready? Let's begin. Time for a quick history tour. No yawning, I promise. Magura's story is anything but boring, and every corner here has a secret waiting to be discovered. Magura's past is alive in places like Raja Sitaram Ray's palace, where the crumbling ruins whisper stories of a 17th century zamindar's ambitions, power struggles, and dreams that shaped the region. Imagine the grand feasts, the royal processions, and the echoes of history that still linger in the air. The Ghat of Nada Chand, a simple riverside spot, is steeped in local legend and quiet romance. Locals say the gentle flow of the river carries tales of love, loss, and hope from one generation to the next. Ancient temples and mosques, like the Siddheshwari temple, reveal a rich tapestry of faith and devotion. These sacred spaces have witnessed countless prayers, festivals, and moments of reflection, uniting people across centuries. These aren't just old buildings, they're living parts of the community, woven into daily life. Children play in their shadows, elders share stories on their steps, and every brick seems to hold a memory. The Indigo Revolt left its mark here too. Crumbling Neil Kuthi factories stand as reminders of colonial hardship and local resilience. These sites are silent witnesses to the courage of those who stood up for justice. Magura's history is a blend of struggle, faith, and enduring spirit. It's a story of people who never gave up, no matter the odds. Every stone and riverbank has a story to tell if you pause and listen closely. The land itself seems to remember. It's a place where the past is never far away, blending seamlessly with the present. Here, history and modern life walk side by side. Let's keep moving. There's more to see. Onward. The journey through Magura's living history has only just begun. Now, let's drift through Magura's countryside, where every turn in the road reveals a new slice of rural beauty waiting to be discovered. The gentle hum of the engine blends with the soft rustle of leaves, inviting you to slow down and truly soak in the surroundings. Picture endless rice paddies stretching out like a green quilt, dotted with mango and palm groves. Rivers like the Gorai and Madhumati wind gracefully through this lush landscape, their waters reflecting the ever-changing sky above. Hire a boat and float along these tranquil rivers. Watch daily life unfold on the banks, fishermen casting their nets with practiced ease, children laughing and splashing in the shallows, and women washing clothes, their colorful saris bright against the water's edge. Every moment feels timeless here. In winter, date palm trees become magical as gachis climb high to collect sweet sap, which is then turned into the famous Patali Gur molasses. The air fills with the scent of fresh sap, and villagers gather to share stories and warmth. During the monsoon, wetlands known as fields fill with shimmering water, attracting flocks of migratory birds. The landscape transforms into a vibrant sanctuary, alive with the calls of herons, egrets, and kingfishers. As the seasons change, so does the scenery, a living, breathing painting that shifts from lush green to golden fields, from misty mornings to sun-drenched afternoons. Nature here is subtle, always busy, and deeply calming. Even the smallest details, a bird's call, a ripple in the river, invite you to pause and appreciate the moment. It's a place to slow down, breathe deeply, and simply watch as life unfolds at its own gentle pace. Here, time seems to stretch, giving you space to reconnect with yourself and the world around you. Every view is a reminder of the harmony between people and land, where generations have lived and worked in tune with nature's rhythms. Magura's beauty is quiet, but unforgettable. The soft glow of sunrise or sunset bathes the countryside in golden light, leaving a lasting impression on your heart. Let's take it all in. Every color, every sound, every gentle breeze that carries the scent of earth and water. Ready for the next stop? Let's go, with these memories of Magura's countryside lingering in our minds. The soul of Magura is its people and their crafts. Hospitality here is legendary. Don't be surprised if you're invited in for tea. Potters shape riverbank clay into beautiful wares, a tradition passed down for generations. Visit a potter's village, watch the magic, and maybe take home a handmade piece. Folk arts thrive. Jarigan musical storytelling, puppet shows, and village fairs fill the air with music and laughter. Local melas are vibrant gatherings with crafts, sweets, and simple rites. These events are the heartbeat of the community. Culture here is lived, not just displayed. Every festival, every craft, is a celebration of Magura's spirit. It's a place where tradition and daily life blend seamlessly. Let's join the festivities. Let's talk food, because you'll want to eat everything here. Magura's cuisine is all about fresh rice, river fish, and local vegetables. Fish curries, cooked with mustard oil and spices, are a must-try. In winter, taste patali gur, date palm jaggery, used in sweet pithas filled with coconut. Don't miss the creamy doi, yogurt, especially the famous kheer doi from Baghat. Local markets are a sensory feast, spices, fresh produce, and sizzling street snacks. Try singaras, savory pastries, or jalmuri, spiced puffed rice, for a true taste of Magura. Every meal is simple, honest, and deeply satisfying. Food here is comfort, tradition, and celebration all in one. Eating in Magura is an adventure in itself. Hungry yet? Let's keep exploring. Next up, getting around. Getting around Magura is part of the charm. Rickshaws are the go-to for short trips, slow, scenic, and personal. For longer journeys, hop on a local bus or hire an auto rickshaw, CNG. Buses from Dhaka or Khulna bring you right into the heart of the district. Once here, just flag down a rickshaw or CNG. Fares are best agreed on before you start. Schedules are flexible, so embrace the relaxed pace. Delays happen, but that's part of the experience. Use the time to chat, look around, and soak up the atmosphere. In Magura, the journey is as memorable as the destination. Let the road lead you. That's Magura, a gentle, beautiful place that invites you to slow down. Here, history, nature, craft, and food come together in a quiet celebration of life's simple joys. It's not about luxury or tourist traps, but about genuine connections and small wonders. Magura is for the curious, the kind-hearted, and those who find magic in the everyday. The real treasures are the moments you'll remember. A warm breeze, a shared meal, a friendly smile. So pack light and bring an open mind. Come explore the rivers, meet the people, and discover the peace of this special corner of Bangladesh. Magura is ready to welcome you. The adventure is gentle but unforgettable. See you on the...
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.